Look, I'm not gonna listen. It's enough for me. It's enough for me. It is his birthday too. This is true. Oh my god!
Yeah.
And he left! What the corpse? What was that? Oh my god. This time I had my OBS up, so I saw it.
A few moments later.
Will you judge me if I just eat the sushi?
My mom does that too. Hell yeah. Interactive mukbang.
I tried it.
Oh my god!
Well, I'm sorry, now.
Wow.
Did you just drop? Oh my god, rice fell on my foot! Rice fell on my foot! Did you put rice on my back? What happened?
I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that.
You dropped it!
Oh my god. Did he leave the Discord again? He did. He also left.
She spilled! Bitch!
I couldn't tell.
Wait, we're going out to eat?
Yeah.
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 Friday order food. Does anyone in your house want food?
Probably.
Food.
Anybody.
Who should they give it to?
Anybody.
People.